Okay, we're doing a little side project while we're waiting for the motor and trans to bake out there. So we're doing the K-tuned valve cover baffle, spark plug seals, and the, was it -10?
Yeah, -10
plugs. -10 plugs.
Okay, a little blue Loctite.
So we got a little blue Loctite on all of them. And then we have to go through and snug them. Is there a sequence for this or no?
No.
So we're just going to snug them up nice and tight, and then you're supposed to take a little dab of Honda Bond and put a little bit on each and every one. So
typical K-tune doesn't include any instructions or guides or anything. You figure it out.
You have to watch the K-tune video. Oh shit, bro. Relax. Or they give you extras in case you cross-thread king them or some shit?
Probably. Oh, there used to be 3 more holes on this baffle.
Oh, they deleted them?
Because there's definitely one missing.
Yeah, well, they said there was like there's supposed to be another one right here underneath this, but if you're running like an aftermarket cam, the cam will smack it. So they probably just deleted it to save people the trouble. It's probably not needed. There's more than enough screws on this. So you know about Hondas more than I do. What's the purpose of the baffle?
It just prevents like
oil splash or...
Yeah, it just controls the oil direction.
Okay.
Nothing crazy.
That's cool. There's like a drip down tray basically.
I don't know if the factory one even has a baffle. It might.
I didn't look inside of it.
Maybe they're replicating, because this is like a K-tune recast the valve cover, so it's not like they took an OEM one and modified it.
Yeah.
This is a whole recast. So
yeah, so maybe this is like an OEM baffle that they just modify, like they redid it. Same shit. Are you paying attention to what's being tightened?
I mean, I'll know when I get to them. I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, we're just like. All right, so we have the seals in now. They do need to be tapped in, kind of like a rear main or front main seal. We used they say to use a 32 mil big ass socket, but we used a 30, and it was actually a little bit better to get them seated in. And it kind of bottoms out on the metal ring here of the valve cover, so you can't really overdo it. I mean, if you use too small of a socket, you go all the way in. So good, everything's Honda bonded, which is kind of a messy process. I mean, they have Loctite on them, so I think it's kind of redundant, but I understand, like they just don't want the screw to back out.
That's a devastating
yeah, like that goes into the fucking engine and you're fucked.
You buy a new motor.
Yeah. So far, so good. And we just gotta finish doing this. We put one plug in the back because we're not going to use the breather on this one because this is going to be touching the firewall basically. And then we're going to do a catch can from one of the sides, right? This side? This is the driver's side of the motor.
Yeah, so...
Or this side. Passenger side? No, that's where the turbo's going to be.
Yeah,
this is catch cans on this side. Yeah, driver's side. Yeah.
Cap side.
Got it. So we're going to plug those. We're not using this then, right? Because you're using AN?
Yeah, I already plugged that. That's what that one goes.
Yeah, this one normally goes here, but we're plugging this one, and then he's going to use that AN here to what, air oil separator or just oil catch can?
Probably just a catch can.
Yeah.
I have the catch can bent.
Chase bays?
Whoever. Vibrant makes one.
Who?
Vibrant.
Oh, Vibrant.
You can get any 2-port catch can will be fine.
Okay.
It's actually a 3-port, but it vents. There's a vent.
Vent atmosphere.
Or a filter. Some of them have like a removable filter you can service.
Yeah.
There's a lot out there.
Cool. So yeah, we're going to use the O-rings, plug these two, and that's it, right? We're not going to plug this side.
Nah, we'll leave those open.
All right, cool. Coming together. That's going to look real nasty on that satin engine over there. We forgot to record because we were too busy installing all this shit on the motor. So the water passage is on with the AN block off there. The billet thermostat housing is on. What is this piece back here with the little thing that goes to the manifold? What's this called?
Water bypass.
Water bypass. What's this called?
On a K240, the coolant runs through the engine manifold.
Oh, this is the bypass. Okay. And then what's this piece back here?
It's just the upper coolant housing.
Okay, upper coolant housing. Boom. I don't know anything about Honda.
Pop it a poop.
Bobbity boobity. And then this is the new VTEC solenoid housing. But the solenoid, is that the solenoid or is this the solenoid? What's the solenoid?
This is the solenoid.
What's in the bag? So the sensor is getting painted because it was all rusty.
Well, that's just the cap.
Jesus Christ, whatever the fuck.
This is the solenoid.
Whatever. I'm a solenoid, you're a solenoid. We're all solenoids. So meticulous. Tight.
I don't know how tight that needs to be.
It's like tight and then a little bit more.
O-ring.
Like yeah, tight and a little bit more. That's it. You're like snap in the block.
65 foot-pounds. Give me the torque.
Oh my god. What else did we do? I feel like we did a lot more than this, but we really didn't.
The thermostat.
Yeah, I talked about that already.
That.
Yeah, I know.
PCV delete.
PCV delete.
That.
Yeah.
That. And
Yeah,
the back
yeah.
one. That's
Okay,
it.
cool.
I really-
All right, cool.
That's
We didn't accomplish anything. I was just kidding.
Hello.
Hello, 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 sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Are you there? So what is this? The VTEC something? I don't know.
Spool solenoid.
So there was a sticker on here that I can't seem to get off. I almost killed us by wire wheeling our towel up. So Ricky said he's gonna rub his ball sack on here faster and it'll take it off. It might happen. So I might get a show.
That actually happened. Dodgeball. It's a metaphor. Dodgeball by the horns. The painting on the wall.
I'm dead here.
It's like, but that actually happened.
It actually happened. That's a good movie.
Oh man, I need to watch that again. It's been a while.
Give me that red Brillo pad now. I'm just gonna scuff it real quick and then paint it. It's all here. Come on, bro. You should know where everything is by now.
That 80 grit. Take the fucking VTEC to the next level.
I mean, this is polishable. Do you want to polish this inside or do you want to paint it?
I mean, I don't know how deep that sits. That sits like all the way in here.
Yeah, so you can't even see it.
I just ordered like every O-ring possible, and I don't even know if I need them. Watch, this goes like in the oil pan and shit. This is also an injector O-ring, which is interesting. Yeah, this is like an injector O-ring, which is interesting. I don't know why I only have one though. Unless this came with the coolant bypass. I don't know. I'll have to see. We will see, we will see. What?
I'm laughing because I was like, you want this sticker off? And you looked at me. I was like, you want to paint it, don't you?